What up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This video was actually it was actually a request by somebody. So right now we're playing Airplane Store. Who the hell? Kai? Kai's not trying to friend request me? Hell no.
And I see you again.
But yeah. But yeah, we're gonna get to the video. Wait, hold up. Jake, say what's up.
What's up?
Alright, let's get to the video, man. Alright, we're in the game now.
My seat is 12D.
11D. So I'm gonna have to look for 11D. Here's my seat. Ooh.
I see you.
Don't tell me I'm sitting next to this man. Okay, good.
Hey. Take up your seat. Take up your seat. Wait, whoa.
Boy, if you
Take off your seat. What?
I know I messed up. Take a seat, yeah. Take a seat, yeah. Take a seat, yeah.
Yeah. Oh crap. Yo, damn! Yo, damn! Yo, two people just went flying. Yo, gang. This woman said, "This gum is so scary."
You serious?
Oh my goodness, this gum is so scary.
This gum is so scary.
This gum is so scary.
The hell? What the?
Feel free to get out of your seats and explore the plane. Let's explore the plane, I guess. Is it openable? Oh, okay. Why are you telling this man to shut up? Ha 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 ha. So scary. Whoa, what just happened?
This dude. Wait till you see the. No.
What I say? Ladies and gentlemen, it seems that we have had an unexpected power outage. Oh.
No. Wait.
Oh crap. Please do remain calm while we try to fix the situation.
Ever had a dreams that you could.
What do we do?
No.
We can go inside of here.
Oh my
God!
Puts it downfield and McLaurin.
What is that on the right?
Ew, let me see.
Oh my God! Are we going to die, Dad?
I can't see it. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
What the flip?
He teleports.
He teleports? Oh crap!
He teleports. Oh hell no.
I'm gonna hide. I'm hiding. Oh crap! What just teleported me? Oh. Anyone here? Yeah, I can go this one. Ugh. I think Jake might have got jump scared.
Yo, purples versus gay. Oh crap, I'm
There is.
Oh,
my goodness.
Okay, I will.
Yo, what the? Bro, flight attendants, why are you guys just sitting down here? What, bro?
Good,
Help us get off the plane or something. Perfect. We have solved the issue. We are very sorry about that.
We are now going to be serving the pizza.
Boy, if you don't.
That's the first. I've never seen them. I've never seen people serve pizza on an airplane. Hey, there was a monster attacking us.
What? Oh. Don't be silly.
Alright. Hello everyone. This is your co-pilot speaking. It seems that we are going through a thunderstorm and very severe turbulence.
I'm gonna go flying.
I'm gonna sit down there. Dot. We would like to ask everyone to return to their seats. We already did that. Yeah, nobody flying. Yeah, nobody got flinged. Little turbulence. What the flip? Look at this man. Dang! Look at this man. Dang! Yeah, nobody flying. Yeah, nobody flying.
You see?
What?
This man Alan just got flinged. The engine is on fire! Oh crap! Oh no! We will have to land in the sea.
Flips it downfield and McLaurin.
We'll take her fate, yeah.
Low taper low taper
Quick!
Okay,
Everyone grab a life jacket. I have a life jacket. I have a life jacket. Where do we go? Where do we go? Yo, I'm gonna follow you.
She's a new man.
Oh my goodness.
Take her fate, yeah.
low taper low taper
Shut up with the low taper fade, bro.
low taper low taper
Oh crap, what happened? Oh, we're in the water.
Oh, go on the wing, go on the wing.
Alright, we can't. We can't.
The wingies.
We can't. Oh, we're here.
Wingies.
Oh crap. Bro, that shark just sneaked up on me. Bro, damn! This man jumping this. Yo, bro's walking! Yo, he's walking! Yo! The shark is walking! Look! Look! The shark is walking! He's walking off his tail! Yo! Phew! We made it!
I can't see it. Where?
Bro! You see it in the recording. You see it in the recording. Bro.
Oh, like live you, not gonna lie.
There's some apples on the trees. Bro. Find something to eat in the forest. Oh, let me go back to the apples then.
Boy, if you don't.
Bro, stop saying that. Oh, it did not give me time to get the apples. I found some apples for us to eat. Hey, I found that first! Why do you keep telling everybody to shut up?
Wait.
Wait,
Stop.
what about the monster we saw?
It's here. Yes!
Flips it downfield and McLaurin.
Y'all eat that.
discuss about the strange monster you seen earlier. Alright, let's group up then. Shut up. Bro, what? Bro, these people are stupid. Oh! Oh crap, I'ma just... Okay. I just followed this guy. He just led us to safety. Why do we still have these life vests on? I think I saw a cave on the hill, which we can use for a shelter. Dog, we already in this here. I mean, we already in this cave.
Ever had a dreams that you could.
I wish I had an umbrella. This man said, yo, shut up. Girls, let's not fight. I'm gonna say, ladies, don't fight over me. Ladies, don't fight over me.
Boy, if you don't.
No.
I know I'm handsome. Ah, dang. Alright. Why is it not letting me walk? Let's get out of here before we get crushed! Okay. Let's park right here. Just park easy. Crazy. Let's park easy. Wait. How did bro die? Okay, I think I made it to the end. I think this is the end up here. Just... Dang! Dang!
Oh my god.
What? Did I have to fall on us? Whoa! We just escaped!
Hey, Dad.
Okay, maybe not.
It's not actually my brother.
I feel like we are being watched.
Feel like we're being watched.
What? How you guys still have that pizza? Oh crap! No. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that was easy. Damn. Oh, gee, we made it! He spelled werewolf wrong. That's the one who can't fit in their vest. Crazy. Oh dang, I'm locked up! Yo! Hang on. I'm on the big mountain. I'm on the big mountain. I'm in the little jail cell.
Wait,
No, what happened?
you're dead.
I'm dead. Alright. Oh, I found a tool which washed up on the coast. The guy left? Crazy. Thank you for saving me! Yo, that just slided me down.
Literally report him, whoever's watching this.
Crazy. That monster was really scary.
Boy, if you don't.
Scary. Scary.
Alright, now what? Is this a chair? That's a
This is
chair.
where I was trying to find something.
Oh.
And I can take a screenshot.
Alright, now what?
Just trolling, bro.
I'm not trolling, actually. Okay, guys.
Okay,
We need to find a light. We need to light a fire. It is getting cold. It is getting dark and cold out here.
Yeah, we'll go to my property. My
Let's
property.
split up.
Hey, that's my
Okay,
property.
okay, I
Yeah,
get it. I get it. That's your property. I get it. On top of the hill. Find logs for the campfire. 1 out of 3. I found one up on the mountain. Got it.
See, I saw it. Dude. I saw it.
Shut up. Good job. Now let me light the fire. Let me light it with my flint necklace.
Ever had a dreams that you could.
What the flip?
Yeah, dude, I have Netflix. Netflix.
Netflix is crazy. Huh?
Oh, my feet are so warm.
Boy, if you don't.
Oh, my feet. Ooh.
My feet.
Oh crap! Don't go in the fire. Do not go in the fire. Oh crap! Did we just summon, bro? Oh no, the fire is spreading! Dang! What? Run away from the trees. We already did that.
Yo.
Dang, bro.
Yo.
Look! Already like a third of the forest has burnt down. The fire is seriously getting out of control. Oh, we're back at the wreckage. Dang, it's even spreading to the wreckage? Why are we on the wing? Dang. What is that? Where? Whoa! Whoa! Look over there! Look! Yo! Look at the sky!
Let's go! Oh crap! Run away from me!
Affecting us. I think we should go in, bruh.
No!
Why should we go in? Anything to get away from the monster. Oh, I bet. Get in the UFO and escape. Oh, you died?
Yeah.
Come on, parkour.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna finish it. Whee! I won! I finished the game!
Hotel?
Victory! Vacation store. Well, that's it, guys. That's it for the video. If you want to see another one of these, then just like. That's all you need to do.
Like and subscribe!
Yeah, like and subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.